Looking for a reliable replacement key for your RV? The RV Designer T800 replacement key blank is designed specifically for locks that need a T800 key. If you've struggled to find the right blank or dealt with keys that don't fit smoothly, this product promises a hassle-free solution that works just like the original. I ran into a common problem when I bought a camper that came with only one key. Dealers and locksmiths kept telling me they couldn't provide a spare because the right blank key wasn't available. That's when I decided to try the RV Designer T800 key blank. It was a bit of a gamble, but it paid off. Taking the blank to a local locksmith, I had them cut the key using my original. To my surprise, it fit perfectly and turned smoothly in the lock, much better than some other copies I've tried. Even though the same locksmith cut both keys, this blank worked noticeably better, which makes a big difference when you're dealing with camper locks. What stands out about this key blank is its OEM-level quality. It's made to match factory originals, ensuring durability and a perfect fit every time. This isn't just another generic key, it's a precise match that gives you peace of mind when you need a spare for your RV or camper. If you've ever been frustrated by dealers who say spare keys aren't available, or locksmiths who can't cut the right key, this is worth a look. It opens up a simple path to getting a working spare without the usual headaches or delays. What you get is a key blank that's ready to be cut by any locksmith familiar with the T800 style. Once cut, it fits and works flawlessly, giving you the confidence that your camper or RV won't leave you locked out. That smooth operation matters, especially when you're on the road and need quick access. If that's you, someone who values reliability and smooth performance in replacement keys, this T800 key blank is a smart choice. It's a practical investment that solves a common problem for RV owners and camper enthusiasts. Try the RV Designer T800 replacement key blank when you're ready to secure your camper with a dependable spare. It's a straightforward, quality option that works as well as the factory original, without the usual hassle of hunting down the right key blank.